Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to put background image in text. Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, type text, press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and drag it. Go to File, Open, and open image. I use this image. Click, drag it, press Ctrl again T, and resize image. Up to text and text color. I use white color, shadow. Okay, inside background or this text, go to FX, blending options, and add stroke size, opacity. Select the image, go to FX, fill opacity. Now we can see this. Another way, right click, create clipping mask. FX, blending, and fill opacity. Okay, replace it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.